All right, after grilling, we got ourselves a silicone cover to make sure to keep anything that we clean safe and off rust, even because you can see I have rust on the outside, but I don't have any inside. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up. Silicone cover, 36 inches on this one. There you go, perfect fit. You could grab it from here if you want. At the end of the day, take it off, fold it back. This is perfect to keep everything nice and clean, so when you want to start cooking, even with the heat, it could heat up a little bit. It's silicone, nothing's going to happen to it. All right, line it up. Look at this, guys. Perfect fit.